Hi, it's Marleen from Personal Wellness Spa. There are many of you who may have purchased this little exfoliation kit from our office. It contains a pre-cleanse oil and it also contains a clay mask, and it's designed for at-home or self-exfoliation of your skin. Pre-cleanse oil, that's this bottle right here. You can use it in this exfoliation product, but also this is a great eye makeup remover. It will dissolve any kind of eyeliner, mascara that you have on. Even a waterproof mascara can be dissolved with that product. So you just take a drop and take it over your lashes and then remove, like I said, any eyeliner or mascara. And then here's the clay mask. So I put a little bit of pre-cleanse oil and clay mask here on my palette. And I'm going to begin by taking this oil and applying it to my skin. And just massaging it in. And I'm only doing this one section of my face just, out of interest of time. And there is a little bit of knack to doing this. This pre-cleanse oil also actually can be used to remove makeup. So like if you were just in the evening and you wanted to remove all your makeup before you used your cleansing gel or cleansing lotion, you could put some water with this. It'll make a very light soapy lather, and then you take all your makeup off with just a soft cloth and then go ahead to your cleanse tone moisturize. But today we're doing this exfoliation. I massaged all that oil into my skin. Here's the clay mask. And basically I'm massaging this in till I can't see it any longer. So, this little process may take 3, 4, 5 minutes. Just depends. Everybody's skin's a little bit different. And you can see it's kind of disappearing into my skin here. This is a good Sunday evening project. That's usually when I have the time to do those extra things for myself after the weekend and before the work week starts. But you've got the tube massaged in. Now take a few minutes. Go brush your teeth. You can floss. Brush out your hair. Maybe go put on your robe and slippers. But just let the whole thing sit on your face for a few minutes. Okay, I'm back, and this clay mask and the pre-cleanse oil has sat on my skin for a little bit, and then you're just going to take your fingers and rub on the surface of the skin. You can see here all the dead skin rolling up with that little bit of massage I'm doing with my fingers. Before I started, I actually washed my fingers so they didn't have any oil on, but just massage away here. It's very safe, very nice exfoliation. So I think this is a process that you're going to want to try for yourself. It's very refreshing. It's healthy for your skin. You really can't overdo it because you're just going to exfoliate with what Mother Nature wants to offer you there for you. You're going to take cleansing lotion and water, wash it all off when you're finished, take a toner and toning pad and, treat the face, put your moisturizer on, and after you're exfoliated, guess what? That moisturizer works even better, through your skin and gets where it needs to go to produce a lovely result. So get your exfoliation kit out. If you don't want to have one, well then call me. We'll get one out to you. It's free shipping these days. 419-228-2797 or personalwellnessspa@gmail.com.